Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at our brand new building at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Power for this Tacoma comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and of course 4-wheel drive. It is riding on 16-inch alloy wheels, and starting from the side we've got color matched door handles and mirrors. And then moving around to the front, we've got the nice black grille and black hood scoop with fog lights. Inside, we're going to find a bunch of great features as well, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the cabin of this Tacoma has to offer. Peeking in through the window, we've got this nice comfy gray cloth interior that is in absolutely top condition. This carries through to the back where we've got seating for 3, and if we look down, we do have that awesome all-weather rubber matting throughout so you can protect your upholstery. Opening up the door right here, we're going to find our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. And as we climb in, we've got a bunch of our lighting controls and our automatic high beams. Checking out the steering wheel. Here on the left, we are going to find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we have our forward collision system and lane departure off and on buttons. And then there is a bunch more info that you can access up on the dash. Starting it up, if we just take a look down here quick, this is where you're going to find your 4-wheel drive dial and your hazards. And checking out the dash up here, we've got all the normal bits and pieces that you need. And then right in here too, you can also adjust the sensitivity of your pre-collision system and lane departure warning, and adjust some other settings as well. Moving on over to the center, we've got AM/FM stereo with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius satellite. That does come with a 3-month subscription. If we hit on the apps, you can go and do some extra customizations in there too. Moving down, we're going to find our electronic climate control with air conditioning and our heated mirror controls. And then right below that, we've got our heated front seats and our auxiliary power input, USB input. And then if we pull back, we've got our automatic shifter. Our locking glove box is right over there. And then we've got a nice good sized center console there for storage. If we swing around to check out the back from the front, we've got plenty of room back there. Everybody should be riding quite comfortably. So let's hop out and we will take a look at the back of this pickup and what the bed is looking like. So walking around towards the back, up there on the back passenger door, you're going to see your SR5 badging. We've got our rack in there, and as we come right around to the very back, we have the color matched Tacoma, and then our 4x4 and V6 badging as well. Looking down, we've got our trailer hitch and the electrical input for your trailer brakes. And right up here on the tailgate latch, you're going to find your backup camera, and this is also a locking tailgate, which is great if you would like to put on a tonneau cover. Opening it up, we have a really great composite bed going on in here in very good condition. And we also have a couple different storage areas as well as a power outlet in there as well. This tailgate also has the dampener on it, so it is not going to slam open on you. If you would like to check out this 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5 for yourself, come on down to 1624 Carey Road. If you would like some more info before making the trip, you can give us a call, and one of our extremely knowledgeable product advisors would love to talk to you. Or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the specs and technical information about this pickup. I hope everybody is having a really fantastic day as we slide into spring here. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.